मैं अब निवेदन करूंगा श्री विकास गुप्ता जी, हमारे मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर HSIIDC, कि वो आए आज के इस हिस्टोरिकल इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट में आखिरी पड़ाव पर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय का, उप मुख्यमंत्री और सभी अतिथियों का आभार व्यक्त करें अपने धन्यवाद ज्ञापन के साथ विद हिज ओट ऑफ थैंक्स।
ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री मनोहर लाल जी, ऑनरेबल डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री दुष्यंत चौटाला जी, श्री RC भार्गव, चेयरमैन MSIL, Shri Kenichi Ayukawa ji, Executive Vice Chairman MSIL, and distinguished guests. I feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this very special occasion. Today's event underlines the celebration of 40 years of economic relations between Japan and Haryana. During this period, this partnership has indeed come a very long way. Today, every fourth Japanese company in India operates out of Haryana. Japan is not only a reliable friend, but an important partner in economic development of Haryana and the country. I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister Shri Manohar Lal ji for joining us on this occasion. Your presence, sir, serves as an inspiration to us all and bears testimony to the importance you accord to the industry. Your address has provided us a valuable perspective of your vision for the state. Sir, we greatly appreciate your vision and untiring attention to Haryana's economic and business interests. I am reminded of a Japanese proverb which says, vision without action is a daydream, action without vision is a nightmare. We assure you, sir, that we will take every possible action to convert your vision into reality. My sincere thanks to Shri Dushyanth Chautala ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, for his presence and for an insightful presentation on the initiatives taken by the Haryana government in promoting investment and development of the industrial sector in the state. I am hopeful, sir, that under your able guidance, we will position Haryana as the state to be. My special thanks to the Shri RC Bhargav, Chairman MSIL, Mr. Kenichi Ayukawa, Mr. Hisashi Takeuchi, and Mr. Yasuhide Kamo for gracing this occasion. You have been the force behind this project and look forward to working with you closely in successful implementation of the project. I would like to thank all honorable guests who have graced us with their presence by taking time of their busy schedule. I look forward to your support in taking Haryana state to the next level of industrial development. I am very much thankful to Shri DS Dhesi ji, CPSCM, Shri V. Umashankar ji, PSCM cum Chairman HSIIDC, and Shri Vijender Kumar, Principal Secretary Industries, who have been the guiding lights for today's event. I thank you, sir, for making this event a successful one. Friends, an event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling much in advance. I have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated officers of HSIIDC. I cannot thank everyone enough for the involvement they have shown and the willingness they have expressed to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. With these words, I thank you all for being with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vikas Gupta ji, Honorable Managing Director, HSIIDC. Ladies and gentlemen,